Hi guys, today we're working on the Angular Gemini AI. So let me show you the demo first. So looking at that, so this is my localhost, this is my URL. Let's upload on picture. So just so I plan upload, then try to identify. You see, image processing, golden letters. So this is all the botanic name. So this is all the information they provide in details. So temperatures, everything's in the details. How we can do that? This in the Angular. Okay, let's move in the coding part. This is the like a normal HTML. We just image everything standard in the Angular TypeScript. So let's move the code part. So inside the code, nothing much. This is the V1 own file. Like selected. Then I create the services. This is all services. So the purpose. So from here, first try to identify select the image, then read the file. So once you read the file, we try to split the file from this is when we convert to base64. By default, we come with this. So we try to split this another one. We can just get the data, image data. Then we pass into the service. The service under the service we call name. So under this go to this method, we call to this ID. Then here the main ID of Gemini. Looking at this one, so first we get the key. So the key we can get from AI Visual Studio Gemini SDK. We want looking at please checking my previous video in the Gemini AI. So I already show we guideline everything how to get the API key. I just part to the key, then I create the method from here. Then I get the private method. I import it as this one. So you have to import from this one from Google Generic AI. Then I call this method, then I pass the key. Once I pass the key, so inside looking at there is a call constructor, we need to pass the key. So there is a generating model and generating model cache contents. So from this case, we're using models. So from this model, whenever we get the idea, then we pass what model we're looking for. I'm looking for this light model. So this is quite very cheap and free. Then part is, so after we pass the API key under the Google Generative AI, so now we have to pass the model we're looking for. Let's say there is those are paid versions. You can change to Gemini 2.5 Pro versions. Then now we are using a demo and are using light version. So I using Flash and Light. These are totally free. So even though it's free, there are some limitation as well. Then I call this anchor synchronous methods. Pass the image data. Then I got the model into here. Next, from this case already created, pass into the model. Next, then I create the prompt. From here, identify the plant. Then provide the name. Then important information. Next is then I get the data from here. I pass into the image part into JSON approach. So data and array from this data from the base64 strings. Then I embed it with this JPEGs. Previously looking at here, we remove this particular the first one. So from here from this one we start embedded. Then finally we try to using this method generate content. We pass into the prompt. The prompt from this identify the plant, then image part. So this is the image part. Then we get the response. Then we got the response. The return is in the text approach. So let's test. So let's change to AI. So let's move to I try with the pictures with the so identify. You see, image doesn't got any content line. So this is the main important the purpose here. The prompt. Looking at this one, this prompt we already said identify the plant. So that's the reason he prompt this is not to contain the plant. So this sufficient. Then still is to identify what the image is showing. Therefore, there's no identify. So in order proper way, So let's add upload again the proper plant. Then it's the identify. You see, the plant image is a content golden petals. Then this is a botanic name. Then everything's in the detail, origin, appearance, growth habits, everything's in the details. So let's say we play with that. Let's say we change to plant, change to car. And I save. Looking at this one, I try to upload plant, then identify. This is not a car. This is a photos plant. So this is the reason here, the purpose here, the prompt. So whenever you want to identify, system automatically, sorry, Gemini AI automatically go and checking for the car. So that's the reason they come out the car is not part, but anyhow it will give all the details. Let's we try to get the proper car BMW, identify. See, the car image is a BMW 3.0 CSL. We given all the information in details. So this is the how the Gemini AI SDK is working. It's nothing much. We just want to how we're going to working on the Gemini AI. Looking at this one, after I come in here, I can checking. So whatever that I'm testing here. So total request is 28. Then you can see the view fish. So today I'm testing. It's at 20. Today's at 26. I'm testing on this one. Success rate and all this one, everything in the detail. So every time we can looking at this, how long we can because it's a free tier. So I'm still under the free tier. There's no issue. So once we want to for looking for the uh, highest one is to go for proper model. So you have to get the models. Everything's in the details. You can go for the Google and go for model based on the your requirement, your project requirements. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening.